What's going on? It's been a while since I made a video. Figured it's about time. I've been pretty busy. Had twin boys, 3 weeks old today. So no time to work on the truck other than a few little things here and there, and I haven't recorded anything. So I have a project. Figured it's time to start another video. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Basically, I'm going to try to patch the radio hole in the dash. I'll show you what that looks like now so you can get an idea, and then we'll get started. So here's what I have. At some point in time, somebody decided to cut out the original opening to put in a modern stereo system. Probably, I'm guessing, based on the size, this was likely sometime in the 80s, probably, given the size of the opening and the radios at that point. So anyway, I want the dash to be mostly original looking, and therefore I'm going to replace it with the patch panel that puts back the original hole. This is the patch panel. My wife bought this for me, I believe, Father's Day last year, and it's been sitting on the shelf until I had an opportunity to get around to cutting this thing up and putting it back in. So now is that time. I have some moments in between feeding and changing the boys, and I'm going to try to get this done. It will likely end up being multiple days, but I'll compile it all into one video. So this is what I'm starting with. Again, eventually once I get everything completed, the ashtray will not be chrome. It will be painted the same color as the dash, whatever color that ends up being, maybe red again, at least for now. And this panel, patch panel, actually I should not say patch panel, but just a blank, will be replaced with the heater controls once you get the heater in here. And I'll get the whole interior done at some point.
Alright, so got it pretty much all burned in. I'm gonna grind down the welds and see where else I need to touch up. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. I have decided to do a little bit more work than I initially thought. Instead of just painting the patch panel itself, I'm going to paint the rest of the dash. So it means I'm going to take everything down, sand it up and paint it. But for now, this will be it for the patch panel video. I'll quickly go over what I did, and then you'll catch me on the next one when I finish up doing the interior. I'm going to actually try to paint the entire front half of the truck in the original color, and then patina it to match the rest of it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about, and I'll wrap up the video. Thanks for watching.